Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best beginner drones in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best beginner drones. The 5th product on our list is FIMI X8 Mini V2. Featuring a 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the FIMI X8 Mini V2 offers a low-cost introduction to drone piloting from a compact drone equipped with a decent selection of autonomous flying features and videography shooting modes. This drone can lock onto more than 30 target types, such as people, cars, boats, and animals, and automatically follow that target while shooting steady, high-resolution video. Like all of the drones featured in this buyer's guide, the X8 Mini V2 comes with everything needed to start flying. Some of the drone's impressive features include a camera with a 6x digital zoom that's remotely controllable, GPS positioning and navigation, and an AI algorithm that allows for clear results during night shoots. Instead of requiring a remote, this drone can rely entirely on a smartphone. It utilizes the phone's touch screen to showcase easy-to-understand and informative navigation and drone status information that's superimposed over the detailed first-person view of the flight. However, a simple, handheld remote that works with a smartphone is also available. It provides tactile thumbsticks for easier navigation. Up next in 4th place is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. With this drone, you can capture incredibly smooth and detailed, pro-quality video or high-definition photos at a level that few other drones, at any price, can. The Mavic 3 Pro is far more advanced than the Mini 3, but the enhancements come with a much higher price. This drone is very intuitive to pilot, but you also get an advanced obstacle avoidance system that protects all sides of the drone during each flight. Another feature that makes this drone one of the best on the market is its tri-camera system. It allows you to capture video at up to 5.1K resolution at 30 frames per second, or still images at up to 48 megapixel. So with a little practice, you'll be able to capture truly immersive cinema-quality aerial footage while taking advantage of one of the drone's integrated autonomous flying and videography modes. And while you'll love piloting this drone using the DJI RC controller with its built-in display, with one of DJI's optional FPV goggles, you can experience every second of a flight in an extremely detailed and immersive way. The Mavic 3 Pro is a high-end drone that can be used by beginners, but it offers the advanced functionality and videography capabilities that highly experienced drone pilots will appreciate as well. If you're a beginner, we recommend investing in the optional DJI Care Refresh plan that covers repair costs if an accident occurs. The 3rd product on our list is the Autel Robotic EVO Nano Plus. If you want obstacle avoidance along with a handful of other advanced piloting features, but also want a high-quality drone with a relatively low price, this Autel Robotic EVO Nano Plus is the best option. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers one of the best obstacle avoidance systems you'll find in any drone, not to mention a handful of other autonomous flying features. The Autel Robotic EVO Nano Plus offers an intuitive piloting interface, plus the ability to shoot 4K video, 30 FPS, or still images at 50 megapixel resolution. The drone itself folds up into a compact and easy-to-transport size. You get up to 28 minutes of flight time, 3-way advanced obstacle avoidance, and a wide range of piloting options combined with advanced video shooting modes. Features like master subject tracking and pre-programmed videography sequences allow beginner pilots to capture the high-quality content you'd expect from veteran drone pilots flying high-end drones. In summary, this is one of the more feature-packed drones that's both affordable and suitable for beginner pilots. The 2nd product on our list is the DJI Avata 2. With each new drone that DJI designs, the features and technology incorporated into these aircraft become more advanced. One of the best features of the Avata 2 is that it uses DJI's first-person view goggles to provide pilots with an incredibly immersive flight experience. This is a lightweight and portable drone that's easy to set up. It comes with everything needed to start flying. The Avata 2 also uses a powerful 4K camera system that makes it incredibly simple to capture smooth and detailed video and detailed still images featuring an ultra-wide image with a 155-degree field of view. The integrated propeller guards offer an added level of safety for the pilot, while providing the drone itself with enhanced durability. With a little bit of practice, the Avata 2 can perform aerial acrobatics, including front and back flips, sideways rolls, and 180-degree drifts. Another rare feature offered by this drone is called turtle mode. If the drone lands and is upside down, it can automatically flip itself upright. This allows it to easily go airborne again without human intervention. Yes, the Avata 2 offers advanced features, but for the beginner, the handheld DJI RC Motion 3 controller provides an intuitive piloting experience. That is, until you're ready to activate the drone's manual mode. In this mode, advanced piloting skills are required. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the DJI Mini 3. At its sub-$450 price, the Mini 3 is the ideal starter drone for people looking to take on drone piloting as a hobby. The bundle with the DJI RC-N1 remote is less expensive, but this remote doesn't come with a built-in display, so it relies on a smartphone. The Mini 3 bundle with a DJI RC controller, with the display, features the same minimalistic controls, but with an integrated 5.5-inch full-color touchscreen that offers up to a 4-hour battery life. This is the configuration we recommend. The Mini 3 has a relatively short learning curve, so with minimal practice, you'll be able to capture impressive aerial photos or video. We recommend investing in the optional DJI Care Refresh plan that covers repair costs if an accident occurs that can't be fixed yourself. DJI is one of the few drone companies to offer a plan like this. That's all for our list of the 5 best beginner drones on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.